Right, so we're at where we were ended up last video. We've hired a house for a couple of days, 3 days while we're down here, because it's an hour, get over an hour drive home. So I thought, bugger it, it's easy to get a B&B, I think they call them. I think. Anyway, that's what we're doing. So yeah, we're gonna go and have a nibble at the there's a house there. Pretty protected, which is good. If it gets hot. So we're gonna have a nibble at some canola, which we were on last night. Go and have another nibble, and I'm feeling a bit better today, so which is good. Real good. Well, see you out in there. See you out in the harvester. Alright, so I'm doing my second run. We're into it. I think. Moisture's about right, I think. Handheld says 7, and then we're 0.5% down. So I think we'll just dig into it. I'm pretty happy. Well, I'm pretty happy, I reckon. Just it's 12:30, so it's been 9:30, 10:30, 11:30, 12:30. So it's been 3 hours since the last video at the house. Could have just stayed at the house for freaking 3 hours. Like, anyway, what do? You don't know until you're out here having a crack, do you? So we're out here going at the moment, and I guess to see what happens. I think that stuff, first box might dump on the bottom of the truck on the floor. That way it mixes in with the rest pretty, like, you know what I mean? Like, it's a bit high moisture, it mixes in a lot better. But pretty confident that the moisture's right, so. I haven't even done a box yet. I've only got quite half a box, so. We'll see how we go. But onwards and upwards, and we're going to try and get this. What have we got left? Oh, wrong way. 35 hectares left. 35 hectares left. 35. Nah, we should get there. Alright? They got all the bins sorted up. Millie boy's got the bins sorted. So one's full. Other one's not quite full. Anyway, we're chilling. Let's keep chewing. Mates, we're on the bean. Start of the beans. I've done 13.5 hectares of beans. Yeah, we're into the beans. So, just gotta, I was on the phone for this whole bit, doing this bit, so that's why I didn't video anything. But yeah, we're starting the beans, so. We've got about 114 hectares of beans to do, and, should be right. It's getting pretty freaking cold. It's getting about 7.5 degrees outside at the moment. So, I might turn the heater up. Anyway, we'll continue doing the beans here, and I'll show you how dirty these are. Alright, these are bloody shit house. They're freaking dirty. Have a squiz at this. Hey, don't do that. I don't know why you do that. It scares me every time. Look at that dust. Look at the dirt and dust. The bloody dust there, lass. Bloody hell. I think I've got, I don't know how much I've left out here. A few out here to do. Anyway, what do? We'll continue onto it, and we'll talk to you shortly. I just got to watch out for blockages here, and because I'm on the... Yeah, fantastic when you can't see shit, eh? You can't see us bulldozing. Like, I know it's bulldozing that side, but I can't frickin' see that side. Fan-frickin-tastic. God, who loves beans, eh? I love doing beans. Frickin' love it. Bugger all wind. A little bit of breeze though, but it's up my ass. God. Wouldn't frickin' read about it. going on? Good morning. Good morning to ya. It is 11:35 and 11:35 and we're into it. Got going about 11, but had a bit of screwing around, had to recalibrate the front here and a few tricky jobs, but blew the air cleaner and that crap out, but we got going, so. Oh god, I had a good sleep last night, I'm still tired. Read about it, would you? We're just chilling, look at it munching away down there. A cookie monster, cookie monster. Bloody idiot. Anyway. Let's see how much we've got left. Bugger all. In this paddock. Still got like 90 hectares left. About 90 hectares left. No. That's 36 hectares here, so we'll have hectares left. God, sorry for that yawn, sorry. Jeez, that was well deserved. Makes me go sleep now. No. Yeah, no, we're bloody should be good, I reckon. Oh, hitting the road, should be good. We need to is it gonna steer itself? Oh no, it's doing it. Oh. Shit. Anyway. Still got a few pods in the box, but I don't know what to do about that. It's just a bit chilly out there still. No, it's actually freaking 20 degrees, so it should be fine. Stupid beans. It's stupid beans. Anyway, we'll get there. Sure way. We'll, so, I'm probably covered in, dust at the moment because I was going along casually, awesomeness, and then because the wind is obviously going that way and I was going that way, what does the technology do? Oh, the front thinks, oh, okay, I'll go a bit lower. So then you fucking stove it into the fucking ground. Excuse my French. So it stoves it into the ground and says, oh, pick up some dirt. So then I had to clean out the front, take it off and everything. Tell you what, nothing irritates me more than freaking technology. And when they've been doing it for 15 years, technology on these fronts, and they still haven't made them 100%. It is bullshit. John Deere, get your shit together because this is fucking bullshit. Ridiculous. Should be able to do all this country on the ground without touching a single fucking thing. And yes, it has been rolled. FYI. But like fuck's sakes, gives you the shits. And then dirt goes in there, and then it wears out the machine, and oh yeah, we all know what it does when dirt goes in. Yeah, fuck shit. You know what I mean about not actually seeing? Couldn't see if it bulldozed or not. That's freaking why. Because it's fucking stupid. God, it irritates the shit out of me. And the grain people go, oh, there's too much dust in the beans. Well, how about you come and fucking harvest it and deal with this shit? And the farmer comes out, oh, you're cutting it too high. Well, I can't go lower. The joys of being a contractor, eh? Shutting it down for the night. I couldn't see shit going this way. All it was dust. So I thought, screw it. Bring up 20 hectares. There's not a big rush to do it. So I'll finish it tomorrow. And then we got time to move to where we're going to go next. So I thought, screw it. Instead of pushing it, 8:30. Let's go home. So we'll see you in the morning, eh? How's that sound? Dealio this morning, it's 11 o'clock. We had a bit of a shower this morning, but we're into it. We are into it. So I'm going to bring a bit of a topic up here. Short beans, right? Bit of a discussion going to happen in here. Short beans, right? We can see how tall these are. They're not very. They're about a foot
bit over a foot out of the furrow, and you've got 2 inches, 3 inches in the furrow. So the job I'm doing looks like absolutely shit. I've had a few comments. Main highway. I like doing the best job I possibly can. The best job you can do. Obviously, because you're a contractor. If you want to come back, or you want more work. There's a fine line between cutting low, getting dirt, or going higher, losing beans, making it look like shit, but having a clean sample. What do you do? I know exactly what I do. I don't want dirt, because I don't take dirt in silos. So, you got to deal with it. But it looks like shit. And then the people driving past go, wow, it looks like crap. You know? It irritates me a little bit. Because I know I'm trying to do the best job I can, but other people don't know that, if you know what I mean. Like, you probably just go, fucking screw on. What do they know? Who cares? At the end of the day, yeah, but still, you care a little bit, don't you? You know what I mean? You do care. Like, you can see, like, look at that. Like, it doesn't look the best. I love harvesting beans on the ground. My thumb hurts. Like, actually on the ground. Front on the ground, getting all of them. Like, back at home, that's what we do, on the ground. Getting them all. Here you can't. It's too dusty. Big rock. Too dusty, too many rocks. Can't go low. Then you hadn't been rolled. If it was rolled, it'd probably be a different story. I could go a bit lower. Hadn't been rolled, it's a little bit hard. I can't tilt the front forward because then more beans will roll off, so it's tilted all the way back. Everything's all the way back, everything's slowed up. What do you do? So, that's my rant for the morning. But we're going. So, we're 16 hectares left. So we're going, alright? And then we're going to go over to a mate's towards Kingston a bit. He's got 60 hectares, 30 of beans, 30 of barley. We're going to go do that. Hopefully get that done tomorrow and then back to home again to do some durum wheat. And that I'm not looking forward to because that would have been about waist height and now it's laid over. So in irrigated, so it'll probably go 6-7 tonne. I won't make a dozen, it only goes 5 tonne. She's going to be slow chewing, eh? Slow chewing. So what do you do? Alright, so we'll chew away here and yeah, we're good. We'll chew away. That's all we can do, I reckon. Do my best and not bring dirt in the box. So that's all we can do. Righto, ciao. So, last strip of beans here. Talking about technology being weird, look at that. Like, the front just randomly decides to stove into the ground. Like, yeah, good on your technology. And then it just bulldozes dirt and then puts dirt in the sample. Like, it's freaking completely flat there, for crying out loud. Anyway, I do these, finish this little strip, unload into the bin, give it a quick blow down, unhook everything, hook everything up, fill everything up, move to the next job. So let's see you on the road, eh? We're on the highway to, highway to hell. Highway to another paddock. No, we're on our way. On our way to the next job. Cruising down the highway. Yoo-hoo. A bit green out here still, eh? Hey, not bad. Better feed for the stock. Well, what we'll do is fast forward until we start harvesting with Jonathan. Boosh. So, back into some beans. Back into some beans with a good old mate of mine. I've done, about 2 hours already so far. Well, an hour and 50 minutes, almost 2 hours. Done 16 hectares, so got 12 hectares left. 12 hectares left, so we'll keep at that. And we've got some barley to do next, so I'm going to try and get this done, then have a smash of some barley is the plan. So yeah, I've got
if I don't get held up, I'll let you know what happens. I'll let you know the plan and how we go. Sound good? Bang, we're into it. Bloody bang. Smashing out some barley. 3.5 ton barley. Smashing into it. It is now 7 o'clock and we are smashing into it. So I've done 1 lap. Now we're just doing the 2nd lap. So bloody bees knees, eh? Bees bloody knees. Well, yeah. 3 paddocks in 1 day. How's that for you, luck? Hey, how's that? Anyway, we're on to it.
Just then, I looked down.
You're ruining a good video.
Come up, it said cancel, so I cancelled it, just turned it off, put it back on.
Alright, weird. Gonna load him up, then he can go back to the silos and, oi, Ethan, Jesus. Fill her up, Ethan. Look at that for a sunset. Oh, wow, that is actually perler, eh? Shit. Anyway, what do you do? Still chewing away here. She's getting a bit tough, as you can see. Straw's not chopping up as much, so she's getting a little bit tough out there. Hopefully we can keep going for a bit longer. But, yeah. We're only about 40k. Yeah, about 35k to the ocean. So we're not that far from the ocean, really. Yeah, you're right. Going to unload those. What we'll do is tap back in later. Sure. Alright. It's concave time. Get these concaves out, I reckon. What do you reckon? It's going to be a headache, but these that helicoil stay there, but these round bar, I'm going to take these out and put the small wires in. So we have them in for beans. Doing beans, so what we do is we take them out, put round bar in, because we're going back up, small wiring, we're going back in the wheat, so. Like, I can harvest. I've been harvesting barley with these in. I've done it. Been doing it. And it's been doing a freaking awesome job, really. I'd like to leave them in, but that's why I left the helicoil in there, just to, it can hit it a bit hard to start with, and then it can just let it thrash out, really. You know what I mean? And we got a shitload of elements in there, as you can see, as well. So, let's get on the job of unbolting these and getting them out, I reckon. They in. Got to put the dividing plate back in there, but they're in. They're in. Plug the sensors up, and we should be away. They're still pretty fucking new, eh? Anyway, a lot going on in these things. I don't really rate these hydraulic concaves because they actually don't work. Surprisingly enough, but no, they actually don't work. Like, we got them for Phalaris, which you wouldn't really know what Phalaris is, but when it comes to it, in a month and a bit, I'll show you, because I'll be harvesting it. Some on years. Stupid batteries are broken. Tweak it. Tweak it. Tweak it. Tweak it. Right. In. Cover on. And the bee's knees are the knees of the bees. But yeah, Phalaris. So, freaking grass, eh? You know when you go to a swamp and there's these tall reeds, green reeds with big heads on them, and they're, yeah, similar to that. Don't know what they use it for, but it's shit stuff to harvest. So we had a 770 before, and we bought the 780 because you can get the hydraulic concaves. So we thought, wow, hydraulic concaves, how cool, we probably should try them out. They'd be good at the Phalaris. Because when a lump goes through, opens up, let that lump through. Well, it doesn't really work.
you block the feed accelerator up before you block the rotor up 80% of the time. But yeah, so ADHD, you can hear me. Yeah, so, and I don't know, they don't really have an accumulator. They're just plumbed into the tank. So if a lump goes in, it just lets go, or it just probably jolts. I don't know, like, you know what I mean? There's no accumulator on them or anything, so I don't think they work like they actually should. Anyway, we'll put these covers on. I'll give the front a bit of a blowdown, and might give this a bit of a blowdown as well. And go and have a look, see what the bay looks like. It's not that hot. Bit of breeze. Sun's trying to poke out. China's trying to poke. Stu.
We're filling up. Oh, she's filthy. We're filling up. Finished the barley, and we are heading to do some durum wheat. So everyone's clearing the bin out and filling things up. So we'll hit the road, and I got Nunu with me. Nunu! Big Nunu! That's all good. Jonathan's made us lunch, even better. Clean out, fill up, going away. I reckon. So, 6.5 tonne to the hectare. About 5k an hour. So, yeah, she's that's what you call some durum wheat, I reckon. Well, yeah. Let's do some calculations here. We've got 7,000 times 1.2 equals. No, that can't be right. What do we got? Yeah, 1.2. So, how do you do that? What have I done here? 1.2 divide 7,000, that's right, equals, no. What the fuck have I done? 7,000 divide 1.2 equals 5.8 tonne. There you go. See, I got there, my maths. Picturesque. Anyway, keep chewing away because it's pretty hectic. I may be half good at what I do. Going through a laneway here, fence either side, and then the bridge here. You sort of gotta wonder, don't you? She's pretty. We're running it pretty tight. But like, I'm going over the laneway. I don't know what's gonna hit when I go over the other side. As then I'm gonna hit them gates. But just at this present moment in time, we are fully operational, going over this bit of a bridge, which I actually built. So, yeah, interesting that. So we finished the first 9 hectares. Would you look at that? I actually am making it. Wow. Wow, that's not bad, Ethan. Alright, see you the next paddock. So, it's 2 o'clock. I forgot the video this morning, but we're just still on wait, so it's nothing, Finished that paddock, finished the paddock way over there. Yeah, that falling down shed. And now we're starting this paddock, these bays. Finish 20 hectares here, move over to another 20 hectares, get them done, then we're done with Johnny's wheat. So, yeah, we are getting there slowly. Just waiting for the tractor to come back. Got to run back to the sheds to unload because of the little old truck that I've been dumping into is overheating, the poor little girl. So, yeah, anyway, work it out. But, no, we're getting there. So, obviously going to have a look on the ground, see what's coming out the back in a sec, and, yeah. But no, we're just chewing away slowly. It's 36 degrees Celsius outside, 17 in here. Well, it's not 17, it's more like 18 in here. It's not that cold in here. So, yeah. We'll get out there and look at the ground, I reckon. Daddy having a look on the ground here. Bit hard to tell, but
Not a single seed there. One. Not a single seed. One there. Bloody hell.
Pretty bloody good. This here's the middle of the header.
One there.
So yeah, we're good. Oh, he's coming. Shit house because that track right there, freaking rough. So, righto, back into it. Righto. Last run of the week for the day. And I'm packing up, blow the big girl down, and go home. Have tomorrow off because it's going to be 42 tomorrow. And it's a catastrophic high van, so I'll have tomorrow off and probably get back into it Tuesday, tomorrow's Sunday, Monday, yeah, Monday, whatever. So yeah, yep, that's the plan. That's the plan, I reckon, guys. What do you reckon? I reckon. No wind, look at the dust hovering. Look at the dust floating over there where bloody James is. Bloody hell. Anyway. My dust is just sitting there. Like that mud. Anyway. Well, bro, see how we go, I reckon. Well, yeah. We'll, see what I get up to tomorrow. End of the week. Bloody marvellous sample. Fucking hell. It's gone about 4, I reckon. So we oh, it's a bit of a hole there. We had yesterday off. Obviously it was 42 degrees. Oh shit, there's a rock. Oh my god, really. Can't remember what I'm saying now. Can't really talk about it. Yesterday off, we went to the Christmas party down the main street. So, bit of fun. But now we're back into it. Today's only meant to be about 24, 25 degrees. So nice, perfect day like today. Rest of the week's mid to high 20s, and then end of the week's like high 30s. So should be good. Should be able to smash into a bit of wheat. 2 paddocks of wheat left, and then back into beans. A couple paddocks favour beans, and then into some windrow Broadies. They're going to be slow, 25-foot windrows, but overall, we'll chug away slowly into them. I reckon we should be good. I reckon we should be able to handle it. So, well, see, now she's getting a bit dirty. Oh no, it's still pretty good. The frosted stuff, so there's frosted stuff out here. So when you harvest along this good wheat, freaking awesome wheat, you get to the frosted stuff. And because of frosted stuff, I don't really know, but it hasn't finished, and it's frosted, obviously. And it's a pain of frickin' bitch to thrash out. You know, you get a shitload of repeats and, you know, just crap. But at the moment, she's pretty bloody good. I'm happy with the sample until we get to frosting. But I'll show when we get to some. But hopefully it's just the edges that were a bit hairy going. Hopefully the rest of the paddock is schmidt. Although they need a bit of frosted. You can see a bit of pinched in there. And see how dirty it's gotten now? See that? See that? I haven't changed a single setting. And yeah. Shit. Frickin' shit house. What do you do? I can't know nothing about it. Hopefully it just mixes in fine and has a good sample, but that's all I can do. But yeah, onwards and upwards, we'll see how we go, eh? Righto, we're done. On this paddock. It's coming over to take the front off, and we're heading home. Going home, have a nice sleep, get up in the morning, do it again. Move to another farm tomorrow. Got beans and wheat to do there. So the joys of it, but we'll yeah. What is it? 8:30. We travel along nicely. So let's bloody get to it, I reckon. Righty, okie dokie, wokey lokey nokies. We are on the move to the next farm.
Yeah. Got about 25 hockadeers of wet. Now we're going to change frickin' concaves again with the bean concaves. This time putting all the bean concaves in. Take the helicoil out because we're doing broad beans in about 3-4 days. So broadies, massive bean, they're about that big, like, you know, bigger than my thumb. And the helicoil will just disintegrate the shit out of them. Like, they'll thrash going up the feed house. So the less hitting in there, the less like impact, the better with them. So we should theoretically be okay. Slow everything up, open everything up, and we should be away. But just got to do the concaves, all of them. Anyway, we'll be right. We'll see how we go. So we've got 28 days of wheat left, and then that's the wheat done. Hey, we're out on the road. We are on the move to the next job. About half an hour's drive, and we'll bloody be into it. Do frickin' 3 hours work. I guess 3 hours work, and then 3 hours work, and then have to change frickin' concaves. Lunchtime, I reckon. About lunch by the time we do that. So I won't be rushing, that's for sure. Every time I do concaves, it's a headache, so you don't rush. It just normally goes a bit quicker, and you don't get stressed and angry. So we will see you when we're digging into some more wheat. Into it. We are into it. I think we're going to run out of storage though. Yeah. Anyway. We'll see what happens. I'm only going slowish. We'll get to the end of the morning. We'll be right. Alright. So he knocked off early yesterday. I only did about 10 hectares in the corner of the paddock there. Oh, screw it. Knocked off early. Had to change concaves and went down and had a couple of drinks at the local bowling club. So yeah. Now we're back into it. It's 10 o'clock and we are scooting the boots. Booting and sending it. So we got 40 hectares. What have we got left here today? 26 left here. So yeah, a few hours here. Then we're heading on to some Link Road beans. Big broad beans. Massive broad beans. So that would be interesting. We're a bit slow, I think, because we can't crack any, so she's going to be a bit of a slow go. But anyway, we'll see how we go. We'll be right. We'll work it out. We will work it out, I reckon. Oh, I'm tired. I didn't even have a late one. I feel tired. Anyway, we'll be right. Let's get into it, eh? It's bloody sure way. I'll let you know what happens. If anything happens.